All right, let's fix this up. So we're going to use a final fixative to protect my greeting cards, and I like to use the Sennelier final fixative. It is my favorite one. So I'm going to shake this up real good. Now normally I will take this outside and do this, but for filming purposes, it's easier to do it inside the studio. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to flatten this so it's sitting flat against this board. So I'll take a little tape, put it on the inside, just kind of see if I can make it stick to the surface there. And then since I'm doing this in my studio here, I'm going to hold my breath. So here we go. Okay, so you saw how I did that application. It was very short bursts, very short, very light application. And then I waited about 5 minutes here and it's already dried up. And if I take now my fingers, run it across, clean. Doesn't take a lot to fix to cover these up. A little bit down here, it still feels a little bit wet. There's a little bit more texture, a little bit more oil pastel in this section. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the second coat. Remember, short burst. I'm going to hold my breath, and here we go. Okay, I waited 5 minutes, and it is dry and protected. You can see the glossiness on it. And paper likes to bow up when it gets wet, so don't worry, it'll flatten it out. But I'll wait a good day, and then I'll put this in a plastic sleeve, like my other ones, and then this will be ready. And here later on I can write something in it. So there you go. That's how I use the fixative on these. Very light application, just let it sit for 5 minutes. Do a touch test, and then probably a second coat. You can use your favorite fixative for that. I prefer the Sennelier. I like the gloss. I think it really enhances the contrast and the colors as compared to a matte fixative. I think the gloss just works fine. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Have fun making cards. Feel free to ask any questions, and thanks for watching again.